Good afternoon sa inyo. Hello, happy long weekend because it's Ninoy Aquino, Benigno Ninoy Aquino Day today. So, it's August 23, tama? Okay. So, it's a long weekend, guys, for this week. So, I have a song for you. Create in me a clean heart. A Christian song, a praise and worship song for God. So, nalaman ko na this should be our song to God as true Christians and believers of Jesus Christ, my beloved brethren nowadays. The song says, "Create in me a clean heart, O God." It says, "Make me a malinis na puso, pusong walang karumihan at walang kasalanan, O aking Diyos. And renew a right spirit within me," the song continue. So, sabi sa kanta, tamang espiritu inside me, panumbalikin mo, O Diyos. Then, repeating the stanza again. Created me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. Song says, on the second stanza, "Cast me not away from thy presence, O Lord." In Tagalog, wag mo sana akong palayuin sa presensya mo, Panginoon, o wag mo sana akong itaboy. "And take not thy Holy Spirit from me." Wag sanang tanggalin ang Espiritu Santo sa akin, O Panginoong Diyos. "Restore unto me the joy of my salvation," meaning, may God bring back the joy o kagalakan ng aking kaligtasan nung bago pa lang tayong nagiging Kristiyano sa Panginoong Jesus. "And renew a right spirit within me." Yun yung kahuli-huli ang stanza ng kanta. "Kabutihan nawa ang mamutawi sa aking pagkatao." So, okay guys? So, that's it. That's the meaning of the song, "Create in me a clean heart." So, hope you learn a lot from me, guys, and may it give you strength in your spiritual life right now. So, that's all for now. God bless you, everyone, and see you next time. Bye, everyone. Mwah.